Hey you guys, I am back. And I am back with another freaking package. Oh my god, y'all love me, y'all love me, y'all love me. But this is a big package, you guys. And before I open it, I'm going to give y'all a little story. But y'all know what time it is. We just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. I know who it's from. Okay, so for anybody that is familiar with this person, um, everybody know what it is between me and her. They know that my love for her is to infinity and beyond. And just by the gesture of this gift, I know for a fact. Yeah, it's definitely the same. But y'all, let me just tell y'all how amazing she is. She is also a member to my channel. She is part of the Bonnet Squad, and she don't really ask for much. She do a lot, but she don't ask for much. She don't ask for much. She's just amazing all the way around. If you want to get some laughter, if you need a little spiritual lifting, if you need any inspiration, if you just want to all the way around meet a genuine person in Q's world, my soulmate, my beautiful, beautiful soulmate. Check her out, you guys. Her link will be in the description. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all this real quick about this little story on how this package came about. And y'all listen, I didn't take it the wrong way. I didn't feel no type of way about it. But so she, oh, this is a big package. Hold on. So she had made a comment and she said, you know what? She had made a comment about one of my videos. And she said, you know what I'm gonna do? She said, you need one of those things that can brighten up your videos more. And she said, it was a good, it was great quality. It comes in hand. I mean, it comes in handy. And so, she highly recommended that I get one. And so I told her, I said, I get it when I can because your girl is broke right now. And so she took it upon herself to go ahead and give me this package, which I really appreciate because I told her she didn't have to do it. I'm not one of those ones that's like, always waiting on gifts or anything like that. So anything that somebody do for me, I definitely appreciate it. And I want you guys to see how much I appreciate it. And I want the person that sent it to me to see just how much I appreciate it. And not just, oh, I have a gift and I'm going to use it type thing. So I was got to do a little video. And, like, do this little, appreciation speech. But Q, I definitely love you. I appreciate you. Everything about you, you already know. What it is between us. And listen, if you're new to the channel, you got to get used to it. That's my soulmate. We're crazy about each other and we're crazy with each other. So, I got me some bubble wrap, y'all. I love me some bubble wrap. But, ooh. Why would they put a box inside a box? Because I can't get this box. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Y'all probably always think I'm weak. Oh, wait. Hold on. Shoot. Sorry, y'all. This is bad. I don't know how to open it. Well, this is the unboxing going wrong. But I'm going to show y'all the box because, Jesus Christ, I can't open it. But it is a ring light, you guys, and it stand up. It will stand up over top of me. I definitely needed something like this because the one that I did have, copyright incorporated, y'all know, it's no secret. But I'm going to try to figure out how to open this box, and I don't know. I don't know. I knew that. I knew that. Oh, this is like Build-A-Bear. I gotta work on this. The amazing holder. The amazing holder. Hopefully this will hold my phone and I drop it. I know they lying. Alright, what is this thing? Another holder. I gotta read the instructions. I was gonna try to put this together for y'all on here, but listen, that ain't gonna happen because y'all not ready to know about me. Alright, here's the pieces. Ooh, my favorite. It's the remote. I love having a remote because it get hectic, honey. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold on. Okay, so this is the I guess tripod in itself. Yep, y'all just gonna have to see how it works after I put it together because I'm not gonna show y'all what's really good. Okay, some more screws and stuff, and I'm guessing the last piece is the light. That would make sense, right? Duh. Oh my god, another one. Alright, here we go. This one won't as bad. I found it. Oh yeah. Jesus, that was bad. This probably gonna be a bad unboxing, but here it is, you guys. I should try to go ahead and fix it, kinda sorta now, but I'm not yeah, I don't know because I don't want y'all to judge me. But if I do decide to put it together, then I will come and show you guys the finishing touches. Well, not if I decide to put it together. Of course I'm gonna put it together because your girl got videos to do. It kind of look like one of them things, a flute or something. Like it's like a little instrument. But yeah. Hopefully I'll be back with a little bit more information about this, and also to, you know, shout out my little boo, you know what I'm saying? Y'all stick with me though. Stick with me. So I got it extended, you guys. I don't think I'm gonna look that much like a dummy, like a big dummy. So I just decided to go ahead and do it, but in a sense, I think I'm a big dummy. Because I don't think I'm doing this right. Hold on, y'all.
Mommy, shuffle. Mommy, please
I'm not slow, y'all. I got it. I'm getting it. I know what I'm doing. I definitely know what I'm doing. Oh, how am I supposed to tighten this up? Right here. Y'all, help me. This is what I'm supposed to do. Because this thing a little loose. That's a little loose there. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna act like I know what I'm doing. I don't. Truthfully. Alright, for real. Because what is they doing to me? Oh. I'm smart. Oh, that ain't smart. Alright, hold on. Hey, guys. Oh, they judging me. I don't like that. Nope. I don't like it, y'all. Why they playing with me like that? For real, what I'm doing wrong. And then I can't look over the top of it. Like, come on, bro. This is irritating. For real. Because how do you supposed to do this? I think I grew up. Why is it going up? They playing me, y'all. Don't play in my face like that. Your girl that grew up, shawty. Y'all don't know about this. Y'all ain't know. Y'all ain't know I was smart. Oh, why the fuck you doing? I ain't always smart, but hold on, y'all. Hold on, cause this is gonna. Oh, is it supposed to go like that? Wait, I don't think so. This is like a microphone.
It's broken.
Okay, bye.
You have to sit.
Bye.
Sit down.
Bye. Go.
Sit down.
Man to man.
What's this?
Yeah, I don't know what I did. They got it like that, but.
Where you turning? Yeah. Where are you?
Yeah, I don't think I did this right, y'all. Oh God, this is embarrassing. Cause I'd have already started. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's supposed to go on the other side. Hold on.
Oh.
They may have. Yeah. Your girl's smart. I'm smart. Y'all ain't even know that. Y'all ain't even know I was this smart. Yeah. Y'all ain't even know I was that smart. Okay, so I might not be completely. Listen. Because why they playing with me? It's something about this transaction that's telling me I'm real smart. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah. Don't underestimate me. Don't be with me. Don't be with me because I definitely was underestimating myself. That ain't moving. But let's see what's next, you guys. I think it's the light. I think it's the light that's next. Oh, they really trying to play with me because I can't see the top of this. Hold on, y'all. My mama told me better than this. Don't judge me, y'all. If you judging me in the comments, guess what? I ain't gonna say it. Because she ain't gonna tell me I can't say that. But, suck your mother. Alright. Alright. Oh, this is tall. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I can't even duck. I told y'all I want that tall. I told y'all I want that tall. I ain't lied to y'all.
I think we need to look. I should throw in my car. Mommy.
Look, go.
No, you
Get
don't.
out.
Hey. Where's the kitchen?
Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Yep. 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 This probably the time when I gotta call her and figure out. Girl. They really playing in my face. Mm-mm. Y'all need to go.
Mommy.
Bye.
Let us go at the phone.
Yeah, I'm smart. I am smart. I thought I wasn't all that smart. But I'm smart though. I got it. Yeah. So all y'all that's probably talk about me, you should have called and helped me. Cause y'all know I'm lost. Yeah. Alright, let's see. I'm not really sure if I trust this with my phone. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take y'all off of there. And I'm gonna take y'all off of there and see how we look. But I'm scared in a way. Yeah. I'm big scared. Cause I feel deep in my soul that this gonna hang up. I mean it's gonna fall. But we're gonna see y'all. Hold on. So I finally got it up and it actually looks good. I finally got it down to where it's my height and not up there in the sky or whatever. But this is what it is, you guys. I don't think I showed y'all the name. Can y'all see it? There it is. Radiance Ring Light by Gear Light. And y'all, it comes with, it starts as a 10-inch ring light. But it has a 60-inch telescoping tripod. And it comes with 2 phone mounts and selfie control, remote control. And it also, you know, it gotta give you the instructions. So yeah, this is definitely something that I would recommend to whoever is in need of a ring light or a tripod. But Q, soulmate, child, you just don't know how you came through with this. But I just wanted to come back and I wanted to tell y'all that it looked good. And just thank you. Like, I love you, soulmate. You really didn't have to do it, but I can't lie, I'm glad you did. I'm glad you did. I think that's about it for the video. So let's keep being lit. Let's keep grinding. Let's keep growing the right way. I turn it to Nikki. Let's keep. I turn it to Nikki. Can't keep doing Nikki. Let's keep being lit. Let's keep grinding. Let's keep growing the right way. with the right numbers, of course, rocking those bonnets. And I'll see y'all in my next video. In Q's World, the link will be in the description. Y'all, go subscribe.